Hey Math 8, all right, so this con could be your easiest con of the year. I'm not kidding, but you only get it if you watch this video first. So, recognizing functions from graphs. Basically, here's how it is. You need to grab yourself a linear line, a straight up and down line. I don't care if it's a ruler or what it is. You can see I've got a green line right here. When it pulls up your graph, you just simply need to put that line. Is there any place on this graph where your line, in my case the green line, touches the blue line in two spots? Notice it touches here and it touches here. If it ever touches it in two places or more, your answer is always no. Two places or more, the answer is no. So this one is no, it's not a function. It touches in two places. Okay, it's because for an input here, it has two outputs. Let's do another one. Let's drag this one up. Okay, let's draw our line. This one looks like, hey, maybe it does, but let's check. Notice when I start here, it's only touching in one place. No matter where I move that green line to, it only touches in one place the whole way along. Because it only touches it in one place, this one would be a yes. That is a function. Only touched in one place. Let's do another one. See, these aren't very difficult. I know, there's no lines on here. Okay, touches only once. Doesn't touch anything here, that's okay. Only touches one dot, touches none, none, none. Only touches one dot, that's okay. Bring it over here, only touches one dot. Oh, but here's one spot. You can see right down here, it touches two dots. Because it touches two dots in one time, this one would be a no. It only takes one time of touching two spots, and it's a no. Okay, last one. Here's a nice straight line. This one's pretty simple. My vertical line only touches that blue line at one point all the way across, so this one here would be a yes. So again, touches at any point your blue line twice, it's not a function. If it only touches it one or fewer times the whole time, then yes, it is a function. Good luck. Bye-bye.